What is the Internet? It's a global network of computers and electronic devices. Option D. What can be done using Internet? All of these. Option D. Which of the following is not a web browser? Windows. Option A. What is a browser cookie? It's a small text file stored on your device by a website that contains information about your visit. Option A. What does ISP stand for? Internet Service Provider. Option C. What is the use of a router? It's for connecting several devices to a single internet connection. Option A. What is the difference between the internet and the World Wide Web? The internet is a global network of devices, while the World Wide Web is a way to access information over the internet. Option D. What is an IP address? It's a unique identifier assigned to every device connected to the internet. Option B. What is telecommuting? Is working from home or another remote location using the internet. Option C. Which of the following contains an address for a destination and acts as a reference to data? Any of these? Option D. Which of the following is an example of any threat that you may face online? Phishing. Option A. Blank are messages that try to trick you into revealing confidential information, such as your credit card number, etc. Phishing. Option A. Which of the following passwords is the strongest? Option B. Blank is a strategy in which a hacker attempts to use the same password across as many accounts as possible. Password spraying. Option C. What relies on a program that systematically goes through all the possible combinations of characters to guess a password? It's brute force attack. Option D. Which attack occurs when a hacker intercepts in transit data moving between two network points? It's man in the middle attack. Option B. Which of the following cannot self replicate? Trojan horses. Option A. Blank happens when a phishing imposter targets someone on social media and attempts to steal their credentials outside a corporate network. It's Angler attack, option C. To see if a website is using a secure connection, what should you look for? Both B and C, option D. HTTPS at the very beginning of the URL and a lock icon to the left of the URL. What is the purpose of a firewall? To protect against unauthorized access to a network, option C. Bitfender and Norton are examples of blank. Anti-malware, option B. What is the purpose of a Wi-Fi password? To prevent unauthorized access to your Wi-Fi network, option A. What is cloud computing? Accessing and using software and services over the internet, option D. Next question, what is cloud backup? It's a service that automatically backs up your data to a remote server over the internet, option B. Which of the following is an example of a file sharing service? Dropbox, option D. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.